Hey, all, Big Elvis with you here at the Big Elvis Diecast, and we've got some stuff we're going to review. Got a decal in from vidiq Diecast. He sells diecast and stuff, and I got my decal up there. If anybody's interested in one of them, you can send me an email. It's in the links below. And if you've got decal of your own and would like me to put it out there on the parking spot, send me an email. I'll get with you. Maybe we can do some trading. Anyway, our one up today. This is a very cool set, very much anticipated, and it's been out for a while. There you go. You can see the Pontiacs. And I tried to buy this set from several different people. They had all but that one there. And they kept saying, well, that's a chase. That's a chase. Well, it's not a chase. I showed in my last Hot Wheels Silver Series, there was actually 2 metal bases in there. Somebody said on the Mustang set that the one Mustang that had the metal was a chase. And it's not chases. The Hot Wheels Silver Series, from what I can tell, they put random cars with metal bases in them. I've had some sets that's had 2. I've had some sets that's only had 1, but there's usually at least 1 in it. So this is the 84 Pontiac Firebird. Messed up the card art a little bit, but there you go. And pretty cool. I actually had a Firebird convertible in red in these body styles. Well, mine was the 90s body style. This is the 80. So this is like the Camaro 3rd gen, I guess. But it's nicely done. Let's get a good zoom in here where we can see. There's the Firebird on the back. You can see the wing shape, which is all molded in. As it's one piece. It's got the T-tops in it. There you can see the back end. And that right there would have been, and it looks like, it almost looks like a fuel tank, but it would have been the strap down for the T-tops, and that would have been a case those T-tops would have went in. That's the way my Camaro was, and I'm pretty sure these were the same way. Pretty neat. Here's your information on the bottom. So this did come out. It was copyrighted 2019, and pretty cool. Get him up there. Our next one in that set, number 2, was the 06 Pontiac GTO. Card art, pretty cool, sweet. I did have a buddy who had one of these, and it was pretty daggum fast for its time. And it truly did impress being in that car. But there she is, the Pontiac GTO. Now this one's been modified. You can see the exhaust coming out the sides. Not really the way they came out. This has got the wheelie bar on the back of it. Would have been rear wheel drive, which it is. It's got a little parachute pack there on the back. Dot matrixy on the tail lights. Must have been, was it black and they painted it yellow? Looks like it's got some black coming through where the body mold would have been. Pretty dark, but you can see inside. I don't know. Nicely done, you think? I don't know if I would have wanted it set up as the strip car, but there you go. Now getting into some classics. My birth year, 65 Pontiac Bonneville. She's a big old boat, big old Land Cruiser. And I don't know, I do like these big old cars. You do know I bought that big old Thunderbird. She's a 77 model. But God, that's a big car, even for then. Alrighty, there she is. Love the color on that. There you got, even with the chrome, you got the tail lights painted in. She looks like she's riding pretty low. There's some interior detailing. Front with the headlights all on. There's your information on the bottom. It's going to be hard to see with this chrome. Trying to see if I can find a copyright date or something, which is probably right there. Looks like maybe 2002, I think. But the big old Land Cruiser Pontiac, yeah. Our next one, another classic, the GTO Judge, 70 Pontiac. And back in the day, I had a Le Mans that I had bought from a guy who was trying to convert it to a GTO. And 389 4-speed was what was in that car. But there it is. The Judge. Classic 5-spoke chromes. Nice classic interior. There you go across the back. One-piece molded tail fin. Nice front end detail. Grills look like they're really sunk in there. So our information on the bottom, copyrighted 2010, 70 Pontiac GTO Judge. You can see some detailing with the rear axle, motor, exhaust going out the back. Oh yeah. Like this Pontiac set, I do. You comment and tell me what you think. Now here it is, the 66 Pontiac GTO. Classic 5-spoke rims. The one that everybody went and got. Made it very difficult to find the whole set. And everybody said, oh, it's because it's the chase, it's the chase. And I looked all over, never could find one that did not have the metal body. I just never could get them bought. Their metal base. So there it is. Big old GTO. The grand years. Very similar to that Le Mans. I think that's what they used, wasn't it? Or Le Mans body style. See a fingerprint there. She is beaut though. That red. There's your back end. And it is metal. And this was copyrighted 2019. So it's been out for a little while. There you go. The 5-car Silver Series Hot Wheels Pontiac set. Tell me what you think. Leave comments below. And check out some of the other vids. Like, share, and comment if you will. Especially like. Subscribe is always good. This is Big Elvis. Take care of each other out there.